Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. We are actually on Highway 2000 and we just went through the Maypen toll plaza and we're heading towards the Maypen roundabout. That is where this section of the highway ends and the new section is under construction, and that new section will take you from Maypen to Mandeville, or more specific, from the Maypen roundabout to Williamsfield, which is in Manchester, just on the outskirts of Mandeville. So this project, it was announced recently, would be finished in August 2023. And I mean, one thing I can tell you, the completion dates for these highways always change. Earlier it was announced at April 2023. Now it's been pushed back to August 2023. Now, based on what I've seen by making these videos, and remember we give you update videos every 2 weeks on all the major construction projects in Jamaica, it should be finished by August. It's 4 months from now, and China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor, and based on what I've seen, it should be finished by then. But we'll keep giving you guys updates every 2 weeks, and we're going to include drone footage of the entire highway. We actually asked for permission to drive on the highway, and we are waiting on them to get back to us. We actually check for permission and another government agency. So we are hoping we'll get the permission soon to drive on the entire length of the highway. Alright, so this is the Maypen roundabout now. So this is where the existing highway ends, and straight ahead you can see the construction phase, and it has literally come all the way up to this highway now. So if you remember from some of the previous videos, this area we're driving on now was not level with the roundabout, so they've dumped it up, and I guess it's just to pave it, do the road thing. So at that bridge now, that is the largest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. It's the Rio Mino Bridge, massive bridge. We are not going to go on the highway because you need permission, so we're just going to turn around here, but we're giving you guys an update as to the progress reached. Whoa, look at this cliff. Okay, we are not going any closer. They definitely need to put up these barricades. It is very dangerous. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about. There you go. Perhaps that's why they don't want people driving on the highway, because maybe some sections, it's not complete, so maybe some sections are like this. So maybe it's a good thing that they don't allow people to drive on the highway yet. Plus, this highway is going to be a toll road, and you don't want people driving on the highway before the toll plazas are finished. So you have coming from Kingston now, you have a toll plaza at Vineyards, then you have another one at Maypen, and then you're going to have another one at Tollgate. And it's just a coincidence that the name of that area is Tollgate, and it's now going to get a toll plaza. It's just a coincidence. Read the name. Alright, so we are back on the Maypen bypass, which is the main road, the existing road. We have drone footage up of this bridge, so you can check it out. Very nice bridge, shows progress. This is the old bridge, or the existing bridge, and it's a 2-lane bridge compared to that very nice 4-lane bridge. Alright, so we're going into Maypen now. You would turn right here. So when this highway is finished, you can get from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. When the entire highway from Kingston to Montego Bay is finished, you can get from Kingston to Montego Bay in 1 hour 45 minutes on highway quality road. You can just look at the condition of this main road. So Jamaica is progressing very nicely. Really have to give credit to the governments who have invested in this kind of road infrastructure. We're not a political channel, so we just say governments. Whichever government was in power when this highway started, and whichever one is in power when it's finished. But what I can say is both governments that have been a part of this highway, they have always extended the highway. Well, it's no secret the highway was started by P.J. Patterson, and then other prime ministers who have come along after him have continued the build out of the highway. I think since this highway started, I think it's 2006, a major highway has been under construction in Jamaica every year. They've always had a major highway project. And it's just a coincidence that today, April 2023, we have two major highway projects on the way, which is the one you're looking at on the left, and the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which is to build a highway from Kingston to Harborview, to Port Antonio. And that highway is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica. It's bigger than this highway project that's going on here on the left. And a third major highway project is to start later this year, which is the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway to turn the highway between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios into a 4-lane dual carriageway that will look just like the highway we came up for. So this government is going to have 3 major highway projects on the way. And as of today, because the Northern Coastal Highway project has not started, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica. But the Northern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is going to be the most expensive road built in Jamaica. It's going to cost $120 billion. It's going to be the largest capital expenditure by Jamaica in modern history. And it's not a toll road, so you're not going to have to pay to use it. Alright guys, thanks for taking the update. Thanks for taking the tour with us today as we give you the updates on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Alright guys, have a good day.